Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back again to teach you another line dance. The name of the dance is Pro Lover 2. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along with the music with me, watch till the end, click on the video, and let's dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so very kindly. And if you're watching this for the very first time and you like the content, please subscribe. So here, guys, here we go. Pro Lover 2. Now, this dance structure is a one-wall dance. It's two parts and one bridge, okay? So here we go. So it starts with a walk up. When you do the walk up, you're going to hold for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go out, in, lift. You come back on the right and then the left. All right, so let's do that. 5, 6, walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, hold 3, 4. So I went 1, 2, hold 3, 4. Now from here, from the side, 5, 6, 7, 8 is going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, down, and take it around. Okay? Now let's put that together. 5, 6, walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, hold 3, 4, hands 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, side 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, salsa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk it to the right. 1 and 2, 3, snap 4. Right foot. 1 and 2, hold 3, snap 4. Again. 1 and 2, hold 3, snap 4. Right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. There goes that 2 count, holding. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is on the left, my weight is on the right. Now let's put it together. Walking up. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, out 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, 2, hold 3, 4, hands 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're just going to keep your body there, keep your footwork, and you're going to roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do a kickball change because we're going to switch the weight from the right to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kickball change. We will do a kickball change. Change your weight to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When we do that second kickball change, it's going to be to the front so we can set up for the next footwork. Now, when you're rolling, roll it down on the downbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's put that together from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, hands 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa 1 and 2, 3, and 4, side 5, 6, 7 to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick all chain. Now we're going to take it back for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as I came back, I clapped. I stepped and clapped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last step was on the left. Walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So all I did was take it back on the right with the clap and I walked up. And then I shimmied on 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? From here, I'm going to make a quarter turn with my right shoulder going forward. Quarter turn. Then I'm going to make a half turn with my right shoulder coming back. So I go forward, 8 count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I just did right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Now my shoulder's going to come back. I'm going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So I did right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that was a quarter turn to the left, half turn to the right. Okay? Let's put that together. So then we wind up here. That's all of part 1. We're done. Now we're going to go into part 2. But before we do that, let's go back to the top. Walk it up, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, hold 3, 4 hands, 5, 6, 7, 8. Salsa 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Salsa 5 and 6, 7 to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Walk right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Half turn. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? Now let me make a note. When you go into your left, you're just doing a quarter turn, but you're doing an 8 count. So you ain't got to be in a rush to get there. You got 8 counts, so take your time. Because if you go 1 and 2, you're just going to be standing here. Okay? So take your time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And, okay? From here, part 2. We're going to do a step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. On the right and the left. Then we walk back. 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. Half turn. With my right shoulder coming back. Then I'm going to do it again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. This time my shoulder going to come forward. It came back a half time. My right shoulder came back a half turn. When I first did it, this time it's going forward, 3/4 turn. So I do a step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6. Shoulder come forward, not back. 7, 8. That's a 3/4 turn, back to the front. So again, part 2, step sailor. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Half turn with the right shoulder coming back. Step sail again. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and walk back. 5, 6. Right shoulder go forward. 3/4 turn on 7, 8. It didn't come back. It went forward. Okay? From here, you roll again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. To the front, then starts over. Start rotation 2. It's the same thing that I just taught you. Getting ready to go through part 1 and 2 again. All right? The third rotation, that's when the bridge comes in, and I'm going to teach you that in a few minutes. So let's go through the whole part 1 and 2. So first rotation, you do 1 and 2. Second rotation, you do 1 and 2. Okay? From the top. 5, 6, 7. Walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy 5, then 6, then 7 to your left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Have that. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and step sailor. 1, 2 and 3, 4, back 5, 6, turn 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, now let's take it to the bridge. Let's take it to the bridge. All right, so rotation 3. You're going to lean to the right. It's going to slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. On the left. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And 1. Okay? From here, you're going to do 12 kicks. With the right shoulder coming forward, all the way back to the front. 12 kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's it. So don't be in a rush because you got 12 kicks. But the most important thing, you lean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so let me count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And shimmy. Dun, 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 dun. And everything you know what to do. I've already taught you what to do after that, okay? I think you shimmy here, and then you go into the tap. All right? So watch the demo, and you know exactly what to do. But that's the demo. That's the bridge. That's what you do for the bridge. Then at the end, so you lean, you do your tap here, you do your tap back, you do your step sailor, and come back to the front. And when you do your roll, you're going to slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? So the third rotation, you're going to start with the lean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4. You're alternating. When you should be on your 6th kick, you should be at least a half turn. You gotta come back here, and then you go. Dun, 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 with the shoulder. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and step sailor. I'm walking you through this because I taught you already. Half turn, step sailor again. Walk it back, 3/4 turn forward. Then the slow roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, end of dance. All right? So you got 3 rotations. The first and the second rotation, you do part 1, 2, part 1, 2. The third rotation starts with the bridge, with that lean. Slow lean, slow lean. Okay? And then you go in with the 12 kicks. Okay? Then you shimmy. Then you do that quarter turn to your left, half turn, and then start with the part 2. Then when you come back here to your front, slow roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, end of dance. All right? So meet me at the next video. This is Pro Lover 2. Watch the demo and come back here. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.